Alright guys, I look a little rough, so I'm gonna get ready. But today is Christmas. We're gonna basically be celebrating Christmas today. I barely took my makeup off yesterday because I was so tired. Let's get started on getting ready. Alright guys, so basically I got my base down. I used some BB cream from NYX and then my Maybelline concealer. Also, I'm kind of whispering because Emily is in the next room, and she's also sleeping. I think a sample of Lock-It, and since it's just a sample, I put that underneath my eyes and then I put this all over my face. I know some people don't like to put powder all over their face, but I do because I feel like it makes your face look better, like more put together and not just like patchy. So first I get this brush, pat it on my eye underneath, kind of bake it in a way, put on my eyelids. Anywhere that will crease a lot, I put the better powder there. Does anyone else get powder everywhere no matter what you do? Because that's me. But anyways, I get this big brush, Coty Airspun powder, and I kind of just tap it and pat it around my face. I don't know if you guys know, but if you swipe it, it'll just ruin your foundation that you already laid down. So you just pat it everywhere so everything stays in place. So I have this pretty old Tarteist Pro palette. If you could see, I've done a lot of damage to it, if you could say. But I have this brush and the pink color and swipe it above my eyelid. Then I kind of just do it until you could see a pretty good pigment on it. Go up to Innocent, the orange-ish color, and put it more towards my outer lid, but then start swiping up. Then with Maud, the dark pink color, I put it even further on my outer lid, but instead I start like right here and bring it up. It kind of gives like an airbrush effect of a wing in a way. And I kind of start building it up on the corner and just start pushing up like that. And pack it again, up. Alright, then I mix this dark purple and this orange color to kind of get a little bit of a red color. And I just pack it on my inner corner like that, and then I'll blend it out. And I'll blend it out with the bigger side of the brush. It's like packed on my inner corners, or outer corners. I do one last pack of the dark purple and the orange. And just stamp it like this. To clean it up, I'm gonna use a Q-tip. Alright, and I'm gonna go back with the lighter orange and pink color one more time and kind of just swipe over the top and blend out the colors. And now I'm gonna go in with the white classic and vintage colors and just put it over the inner corner of my lid just to brighten that inner corner. So I get this, my Maybelline, and I kind of just tap it on the inner corners and kind of just bring it a little bit out like that, and then look up, down, up, down. That way it will ensure to get it on the right part of the lid. In a way, it kind of just brightens the outer corner, or the inner. Why do I keep mixing the corners up? It just brightens the corner up. I'm not applying more. We have that pink sparkly color. It looks like this. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna put it on the outer corners, or like closer to where it's more red. This color. I have the Anastasia highlighting palette. I'm gonna take the gold and the pink color and kind of mix it, and I'm gonna apply that over my shimmer. I have the Revlon, just like a duo shimmer. I just apply the sparkle. And today I'm feeling a little crazy, so I'm gonna put it where the gold is on my lid. So I kind of just let it dry. Apply while it's wet a little bit more of that highlight over it. So while it's drying, I still just keep my eyes kind of closed in a way because I want to make sure it's good. So then I'm just gonna apply the eyeliner. So basically I have this e.l.f. contour palette. I normally use the NYX, but again, my makeup's packed right now. I got like the smaller compact makeup that I can use, so I'm just working with what I have. My nose is the only place where I actually rub because I have freckles, so I don't mind if some of the makeup comes off because freckles are all of a sudden popular. So I kind of just rub it to make it kind of look like a natural like shadow. The bronzer color, and kind of start lightly patting it on my forehead. I'm gonna do a little bit over my cheeks. I don't want them overly brown since it's winter. I'm gonna do Moonstone color. It's kind of the pinkish color, and normally I have a fan brush to apply my highlight on my cheekbones. I just like that, but I'm gonna use this today. Kind of lightly tap it, and then over my nose, I really like the nose highlight. And then I kind of just do it over some of the high points of my face, just a little bit. Have all my little stuff right now. But the sample Nars Orgasm, remember when that was super popular and everyone had it? I wonder if like people still use it. I don't know, I haven't heard much of it. But I'm just gonna pat it on my cheekbones. I normally have a lip liner, but we don't have that today. These two. I'm gonna add a little bit of the red. Gonna tap it. I've always done that, but with my mask, I feel like you need it even more. For eyebrows, I use the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. And then I'm still deciding if I like this, but it's an e.l.f. Brow and Lash Clear Mascara. I think the brows I like because it makes it stay in place and it's cheap. And then lastly, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and do my mascara. Alright, so that is how I do Christmas makeup. Also, I have no idea when I'm going to be posting this. I know it's a pre-filmed video, but I hope you guys are able to take a little bit from it. Just know I am not a beauty guru in any way, so I hope you guys are able to still like figure out what's a good way to do your makeup. But see you later. Bye.